Smart Rescue is an MDI counter, and SABA is by far the most prescribed MDI. 1/4 of asthma patients use over 6 SABA per annum, equating to 3 or more SABA puffs every day. But how much are they really taking and when? SABA contains 200 doses of salbutamol, a bit of overfill and tail off, and 300 puffs of propellant, which means after the salbutamol has run out, there's another 100 puffs of pure gas. Not a problem if patients know about it, but do they really? To verify, we conducted a survey and asked more than 500 asthma patients how they know when their inhaler has run out. And 62% say they think the inhaler has run out when it stops puffing. Now think about it for a moment. That means that almost 2/3 of asthma patients are taking pure gas instead of salbutamol a third of the time. And that is when they know how much is left in their inhaler. We also asked them what they do if in doubt how many puffs left. And 57% say to be on the safe side, they bin the inhaler and get a new one. Now, we know from recycled inhalers that they contain average 92 doses of salbutamol, so they're practically half full. So that's bad for the NHS and bad for the environment. And the two together mean you really don't know how much of the 6 prescribed inhalers the patient has been taking. Our goal with Smart Rescue is that patients take 200 doses, not more and not less, and that you know when they have been taking them.
This is what Smart Rescue looks like. It's a little cap that goes over the top of MDI inhalers, and here it is on top of a salbutamol inhaler. There's a little button on top, so when patients actuate the inhaler, they automatically press down on the button to record the actuation. To find out how many puffs left in their inhaler, there's an app, and all they have to do is touch the device to the back of their phone, as with contactless payment, and it shows current inhaler count. After the next actuation, when they read again, it will keep counting down and show them how much is left in their inhaler, so they use 200 puffs, not more and not less. At the same time, the device also records the timestamp for each actuation, so scrolling a bit down is data which might be more interesting for you, that is inhale count for the past 90 days. Red vertical bars show days with more than 8 puffs. Red horizontal bars show weeks with more than 4 actuations. At the same time, you can see average puffs per day, inhalers used per year at the current rate, and also how many puffs taken from empty inhalers.
To summarize, the benefit for patients is that they know how much is left in their inhaler and they take 200 doses, not more and not less. For you, there are 3 advantages. 1, you will know how much of the prescribed SABA they have actually been taking. 2, you will find out whether the SABA use is constant, perhaps habitual, or episodic. And 3, if it is episodic, you can follow up with our Smart Asthma system to also track their peak flow and symptoms. This is our Smart Asthma chart for 30 days, showing peak flow, rescue inhaler use, symptoms, daily peak flow variability, ACT/ACQ test, and a host of other information. Several trusts are trialing Smart Asthma in various parts in the clinical pathway. We are launching Smart Rescue in Q4 of this year and are open to evaluation requests. Let us know how you would use it in your practice.